Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for a specific website in Google Chrome for Android. Go to Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner, scroll down, go to Settings, scroll down again, go to Notifications, scroll down, and then go to Configure in Chrome. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see all the websites that you have allowed notifications for. To turn the notifications off for one of these, you're simply going to click on the website. And now you're going to flip the switch beside Allow Notifications to the left. That should turn off all notifications for the site. It says notifications from this category are blocked. And that is how you turn off notifications for a specific website in Google Chrome for Android. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.